Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. So this is a different kind of video today. So I'll be showing you most things that I enjoy doing. I enjoy cleaning so much and cooking and like so many other things. Sewing is just part of the things that I enjoy doing. So I'll be sharing most of the things I like doing here. So today's video is just about some cleaning and some very light decor. If you're into that, definitely stay tuned and enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. If you're already subscribed, I really appreciate you. Thank you. So usually I start from the shower, but today I'm starting from the vanity. So now I'm just going to clear the countertop and clean it out, and then I place everything back in their position. Then I cleared this lower part where I store my makeup, hair extensions, jewelry and all that random stuff. So I just placed them in these boxes that I got from Home Sense, and then I got some of them from Dollar Store. Next, I do the bathtub. Usually I get inside the bathtub to clean it very well, but it is not like, it does not need that much cleaning today, so I'm just like not doing all the extra stuff today. So this is my least favorite place to clean in this bathroom, the shower. Because I have to clean the door to get all the grime out. But like, it's very difficult. Let me know if you guys have like tips to like keep this really clean and get all this like the watermarks out. Cleaning for me is like a mini getaway. I can like really spend time with myself, think about stuff, anything bothering me, because this year has just been so rocky. Like, so many personal issues, so many like family difficulties, and also societal issues, because there's a lot of things going on. I'm from Nigeria right now. There's a lot of stuff going on with the police, with SARS. It's just like too much. So these are the times that I really clean so much, because I just process everything. Like, I use this time to process everything. If you're going through anything hard at this time, My prayers are with you. We're all going to like get through this time together. Whatever it is you have lost this year, I hope things get better for you. And I pray for myself as well, because I lost a very dear family member this year, so it's just really tough. So whatever it is you can do to actually get yourself in a happy place, to like meditate and just be with yourself, with your thoughts, just do it. And then if you're into like going out, taking a walk, talking to a friend, please do it. This is the year where we have to like make sure we're taking care of ourselves, taking care of the people around us. It's important. Okay, so this is not a motivational talk. Let's just pause and then we'll continue some other time. I'm just doing some finishing touches here and there, and then I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.